Hey there! Today, I want to share my experience with a vacuum that has truly transformed my cleaning routine, the Shark Detect Performance Lift-Away Advanced Upright Vacuum. This machine has become a trusted companion in my home, and I'm excited to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the suction power. Wow! This vacuum pulls itself forward on carpets with such enthusiasm. It makes cleaning a breeze, gliding over surfaces effortlessly. I've used it on both carpets and hard floors, and it transitions seamlessly between the two without missing a beat. It's really impressive how it handles everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair. If you have furry friends at home, you're going to love how well it picks up their hair. One of the standout features for me is the lift-away function. This allows you to detach the canister from the base, making it super easy to clean stairs or high-up places like ceiling fans. The attachments that come with the vacuum are fantastic, too. I particularly enjoy the dusting brush, which is perfect for getting into those tricky spots, like between blinds or on top of ceiling fan blades. It's amazing how quick and simple it is to dust now. Now, while we're on the topic of ease, I have to mention how simple it is to empty this vacuum. There's just a latch for the top and bottom, and everything falls right out into the trash. No mess, no fuss. That's definitely a plus in my book. I've also noticed that it tackles pet litter with ease. And forget about tangled hair, this vacuum handles it without any issues. My previous vacuum struggled with that, so it's such a relief to have something that just works. Now, there are a couple of minor things to note. While it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, I found it a bit heavier than I expected. But honestly, when it glides so easily, the extra weight hasn't been a problem for me at all. Plus, it doesn't take up much storage space, which is a big win. And as for the scent pods that come with it, I'm on the fence about their effectiveness. They certainly add a nice touch, but I wouldn't rely on them solely for freshness. Overall, this vacuum is a solid choice, especially if you're looking for something dependable and powerful. I've been using it for a while now, and I've had zero issues, which is always reassuring. It really feels like a high-end vacuum at a very reasonable price. If you're in the market for a vacuum that makes cleaning easier and more efficient, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's truly been a game changer in my home. If you want to learn more about it, feel free to check the link in the description below. Happy cleaning!